This is instruction on completing the prea1 document, which is a pre-assessment. This is your second assignment on Google Docs and will be pretty much like the first one, but I will briefly go over getting in and then show a couple of issues with it. The first thing you do, I'm sure you remember, is that you log on to the Reagan Fusion site. Go to Class Pages, and you should get a drop-down menu that gives you an option of Lincoln, and that is here. You then go down to Language Arts 8 if you're in Block 6 or 7, or Language Arts 8 Extended if you are in 1, 2, or 3. We'll go here and go into Block 3. And then you go down on the right-hand side and find the Sign In Google Apps link. Now, you will notice that that there is information here to your parents regarding this activity, and the writing assignment is posted here. But let's go on to Google Apps and get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click on that, and you should get a page that has your information here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to log on to the rrmiddleschool.org site and put in our password. And that should take us right in. And again, it's taking us to Mail. And so we want to go to these little box of boxes up here and go down to Drive. And that will take us to our Google Drive account. The first thing we're going to want to do is create a document. And so there is our document. The first thing we want to do is, after that, is title the document. So we're going to start with our block number. So if it's block 8, we type in an 8 and then we type a space. Then we type prea1. Please notice here that there are no spaces. One of the things we learned on the ice cream document was that those people that put a space between ice and cream, their documents tended to get lost in the shuffle a bit. So as far as the title goes, there should be only 2 gaps, one between your block number and the title of the document, and one between the title of the document and your last name. And if this is Slarta Bart Fast McRuffle, we type in the last name here and click OK. Now, most of the time, in fact, I would say virtually all of the time, you don't need to head your Google Doc. But for these assessments, and I think there's going to be 6 or 8 of them this year, you do need to type in your last name, comma, first name, and then the name of the assessment. So this again is McRuffle, and first name Slarta Bartfast. And then we're going to just skip some space. I'm not really concerned about how much you skip. We're going to type in prea1 and then space or 2 and the date. And for this one, it's going to be 9/12. So it doesn't matter when you wrote it. I still want it to be 9/12/2014. And then you're ready to simply type in your document, type in your essay, and you are finished. And once you have typed in your essay, you'll click Share, and then you're going to go down to Invite People, and you're going to type in Teacher Florer, which is right here. And we're going to uncheck Notify, make sure Can Edit is showing, click OK. Click OK, and then we are finished. Again, if when you're working on this and if your parents offer to help, please ask them not to, at least for these assessments. Um, we're just trying to get a baseline as to where we need to go. And so, and that's it. It's not going to, you're going to get a score in the grade book, but the score is going to be weighted as 0, so it'll have absolutely no effect on your grade. And I guess the other thing is most of the time I think parental assistance is just fine. It can be useful and it's a great way to learn. But for the purpose of this document, please ask them not to help you.